The Ute Pass Ranch offers a lot of amenities for today's recreation ranch buyer. It also has capability for agriculture operations in addition to its recreational capacity.
Ute Pass Ranch is on the market for the first time. The current owners have held this property for the past 65 years. They have been excellent stewards of the land. Ute Pass Ranch is conveniently located close to Colorado Springs, which has a great municipal airport.
The summit of the Ute Pass elevation is approximately 9,265 feet. The Ute Pass Ranch consists of approximately 2,400 acres, made up of primarily high elevation mountain terrain with various species of pine trees, aspen, and lush grasslands. The Ute Pass Ranch is in two parcels along Highway 24. The south parcel consists of approximately 595 acres and borders the Mule State Park, giving it a tremendous amount of exclusivity and privacy. The south parcel has spectacular views of the west side of Pikes Peak. The property is a lush environment offering not only grassland for livestock and grazing, but also for a myriad of wildlife, including mule deer and elk. The north parcel consists of approximately 1,803 acres, which is spectacular in the fact that it has live water creeks running through it, along with very private canyons that basically are otherwise inaccessible to the outside world. The Ute Pass Ranch has an older set of headquarters with a main home and several outbuildings. In fact, it has tremendous development potential as well as potential for conservation.